What is solution to 3h plus 9 is greater than 4h minus 7? We have linear inequality. Let me copy our example. We have 3h plus 9 is greater than 4h minus 7. To solve this inequality, we will move expressions with unknown to the left and the numbers to the right. So 3h stay on the left side. 4h we move to the right is positive, so now will be negative 4h. We copy the sign of inequality, and what we have, negative 7 we have to rewrite, and 9 from the left side we move to the right, so will be was positive, it is positive, so now will be negative 9. So 3h minus 4h is negative 1h is greater than negative 7 and negative 9, so this is negative 16. Because both numbers are negative, so we copy the sign and we just add 7 plus 9 is 16. And on the left side, when we have 3h minus 4h, we copy h, and we have like 3 minus 4. So we have to copy the sign of number which is greater. Negative 4 is greater than 3. So we copy negative sign and we subtract 4 minus 3 as 1. And now, to solve this inequality, we have to divide both sides by negative 1 because we don't want to have any coefficient before h. So we divide both sides by negative 1. Negative 1 and negative 1 we can reduce, and we have what? H. And now, always when we have inequality and we divide by negative number, we have to change the sign of our inequality. Was greater, so now will be less than negative 16 divided by negative 1, so it's positive 16. So we solve our inequality. H is less than 16. This is my solution. You can draw a line H. We have to find the 0 and choose the units. So let's put that this is 1 and 16 will be to the right side. For example, here we have that h is less than 16. And because we have less sign, it means that 16 doesn't belong to our solution. And solution will go to the left. The numbers less than 16 we have on the left side. From 16 on the right we'll have number greater, 17, 18 and so on. So the solution is on the left side of our 16, and 16 doesn't belong to our solution. So we can write that this is interval from, because this is going to negative infinity, from negative infinity to 16, and we have open parentheses because 16 doesn't belong to our solution.